Hi, it's me, your friendly neighborhood, I don't know what to call myself. Okay, so this is gonna be, how many times can I say Shop My Stash, a tutorial with the products that I pulled out from my Shop My Stash, which I will link down below if you did not see that video. I've used this stuff already, like since I filmed that video, so you'll get like a little bit of reviews here and there, but when I do my next Shop My Stash where I pick out different products, I'll go a little bit more in depth then, but right now we're just doing this. I'm out of breath. I'm at Dean's house. I'm in Dean's room, which is why this is not my room or my living room, as you may be familiar with. I've filmed in here before, like twice, but this, like sitting over there filming this way. Now I'm sitting on the other edge of the bed, sitting this way, obviously. Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I'm going to use the Stay Naked foundation from Urban Decay. Out of the 3 foundations that I've put in my Shop My Stash, this is the one I like the least because it didn't last as long as the other ones did. So, let's try it again. The color is really good though. This is 30NN. So it is a neutral, and the neutrals are surprisingly neutral. It smells like paint. That seems to be a thing now. I feel like all foundations smell like paint. Ooh. For a concealer, every time I open this, it like pops open, and I'm afraid the top's just gonna go flying. I'm using my Sephora Bright Future concealer. I like this concealer. It's like an easy, like, make no mistake concealer. Setting with a Lancome powder. I like this powder. This is a nice powder. I don't know if I like it more than my Laura Mercier powder, but I do really like this. It's really nice and matte, but it's not like dry. It doesn't look dry, but it's really matte, and I like that. Not as matte as like the Fenty powder is matte, but still matte. I'm just gonna do my normal brow with this. What do I have? This is Goof Proof. Okay, this is where my brows are on and I have my eye primer on. This is where you gotta switch videos basically, because I'm doing something else with all my eyeshadow palettes. So I'm gonna do my eyes for another video that I think is gonna go up before this, so you'll have that already. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I wrote it down somewhere. Do that, and then I'll come back and finish off the face. But my eyes, yeah, the eye video will be up first, so that'll be linked down below. Yes, and if you hadn't seen it already, and then back to this. Okay, eyes are done. Milk Kush mascara, the waterproof. I don't like it by itself. Let me talk and contour at the same time. I don't like the waterproof Kush mascara from Milk by itself because it's not volumizing enough. It's just length, and I don't need length. I want volume. So I put it on with the primer today. The first time I tried it with the primer, I didn't really let the primer dry, so my lashes just got so clumpy and kind of turned into like 4 big lashes. But today I let the primer dry a little bit, and I like how it looks better. So that's that. If you saw the last video about the eyeshadow, then you already know how I feel about that. So yeah, just giving me some cheekbones. Bronzing with my Fenty bronzer. I love this bronzer. This is a really nice bronzer. Especially if you don't like bronzers that are so like red and they turn orangey on you, try these because they're more yellow, except for the darker shades. The darker shades have red. But the lighter and the like medium tone shades are more yellow, which I really like. My Hourglass palette for blush, I think I'm going to do this one, which is, wait, how do they count this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Infinite Flush. Pop that on, because it has like a little like purpley in it. I love these blushes. I haven't used the two on this side yet. I've only used the two on this side because I feel like these are like summer colors. Like these are not right now colors. But the formula of these blushes is so nice. I've really been enjoying using Opal from Becca. It's such a good color. I don't know why I didn't use it more often. Down the nose. Highlight onto my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna do Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury for my lip. The lip liner I feel like doesn't do anything. Because it's very similar to my lips. The lipstick I like, but it's overpriced. Like this lipstick's like $30 I think, and I can't figure out why. And just a spray with the Smashbox. Take my little dry bar clippies out. I don't know what my hair is doing. I look like the Joker. So here's the finished look with the stuff from the Shop My Stash. There's not really anything in here where I'm like, this is bad. Like, why do I have this? I really am enjoying everything. But yeah, that's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this face. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!